when leadership is genuine, it shows in the work, not the title. Thank you, Owen. As we honor Human Rights Month, Artists United affirms artistic dignity, fair compensation, and transparent governance. Because transparent governance, these are not privileges, they are rights, and rights must be protected. I'd like to introduce you to the chairperson of SCIFSA, Thokozani Zulu, and I know he's going to give us a message of support for Artists United in KZN. Put your hands together. Chairperson of SCIFSA, KZN.
Aye Maciko sibonge jeshi sibonge kubaba Owen nakumama ibalekile lento yokuhlangana kwamaciko ngokukhulu ukuhlonipheka ngibingelele kunobhala wesifo kwaZulu-Natal ngibingelele uMr Ngema ekhona phakathi kwethu as uSIFSA, we support anything that has to do with a culture, that has to do with a creativity. Mhlambe ongazi, uSIFSA umele omama laba abadayisa ebhisha benza umsebenzi wezandla, ama-crafters. uSIFSA umele abafowethu ababadwebi. uSIFSA umele abafowethu abababhali bezincwadi. uSIFSA umele lonke uhlobo lomuntu o-creative. It belongs to us. Any organization, any forum, anything that has to do with CCI, which is the cultural industry, it's creative, cultural and creative industry. Okuwukuthi ubaba Owen uma ngabe beqala iArtists United kusijabulile kakhulu lokho because ubaba Owen sonke siyawazi amagalelo akhe nanokuthi ke thina kade saqala vele ukusebenzisana nobaba Owen eyintweni eziningi silwa indaba yokuxopheka kwakhe okhosini FM ithina ezuSIFSA esasimlekelela nefika eKZN befikela kuthina ehamba imihlangano yasokhosini ubudlelwane bethu nobaba Owen abubusha budala so wathinta uOwen uthinta thina wathinta thina uthinta uOwen umuntu ke abantu bayafika babe oqhiqowe babo Owen siyafisa ke ukuthi iAU ingaqiqowe njengoba ilotshwe namhlanje la iKZN ingafi sizokwenza sure ezuSIFSA ukuthi iAU ayifi sizokwenza sure ezuSIFSA ukuthi iAU iyakwazi ukuthi isebenze kuma district aseKZN ngoba na thina iSIFSA sinobuholi kuma local municipalities aseKZN sinobuholi kuma district ngo-11 aseKZN so through us kuzoba lula ukungena kuma district nakumasipala ukuthi iAU ikwazi ukuthinta ama members eSIFSA okusebenzisana namaciko into yamaciko wonke umuntu oyiciko kumele belong somewhere ukuze into yethu because laba into abathanda ukuthi basishaye ngayo ile ukuthi nina amaciko anihlangene njalo kufika kwi-department or municipality kuthiwa nina amaciko anihlangene Esizihlangene kanjani ngoba thina sisitshela ukuthi sihlangene. Hayi sinonobhala siyenzile research. Hayi baqinisile owena. Cela ukusho nje phambi kwamaciko. Isizathu sesithiwa amaciko awahlangene it's because kufike ngemtizo zakhuluma into yakhe athi ephuma kube ngena elinye lizothi awuyabheda lo yimile right. Ingakho kuthiwa asihlangene sihlebana sodwa. Phansi nobuxoki phansi. Phansi nobuxoki phansi. Unite artists unite. Unite artists unite. So kubalekile bafethu ukuthi siyeke ubuxoki iyona nto ezokwenza ukuthi artists united ihlakazeke. Ubuxoki. Once waqala waxokiza sebezongena ngexoki. Sebeshiya uholo obukhethiwe. Sebesebenza namaxoki ngale. Amaxoki ayilini into ebheda iyathanda. Ayakwazi ukudonsana agcine semaningi. Agcine sexokozela ingakho kuthiwa amaxoki. Yabo. So i-industry ethu ibulawa yithina maciko. Ibulawa ukuthi i-artist uma libe no connection wa event organizer. U-event organizer uzokwenza i-event baphoso. Athi ngicela ungilethele i-artist elithile. Uzothi lizothi leli ciko kuba uphosa mangabe baphosele inamba kaTizozo. Enza i-event ethi Tizozo ngidinga inamba ka Socks. uTizozo ngoba akazwani no DJ Socks. Uzothi hayi ufuna uDJ Socks ubusy use Cape Town kodwa mina ngakutholela uTira. Yayizwa ukuxoxa. Uxoki beciko ke lo. Yinto ebulala i-industry yethu leyo. Baphosa hlangane noTira e-airport ngangikufuna ngomhla ka-10. Kwathiwa hayi awukho. Hayi mina ngangikhona. Nasengixoxa kukaningi kwenzeka siyibulala thina i-industry yethu ayibulawa umuntu oseceleni ukona ubaba ababameli phakathi kwendlu yethu abantu esifuna ukubasondeza eduze kwethu so that nizokwazi ukutwama ukuthi nisibonise indlela ekakhulukazi ezintweni zomthetho nisibonise ukuthi no if because sishaya kodongeni masifika la sishaya kodongeni ene ngubani mina to fight with nalabantu okwabo kulula nje ukuthi awuseyahlala Tizosevuke letaka bizana amaphoyisa athatha uTizozo aboshwe asanelanga ukuthi uTizozo ubefunani bezo eniyazi ukuthi wazomboka uTizozo akanayo imali yakho baba ukukhokhela because nawe wakufundela ipractice yakho you are a lawyer kumele ukhokhele ngizothatha imali ukukhokhela bona bana lawyers ngoba bane mafema bawakhokhelayo it's easy ukumcindezela iartist. So kubalekile ukuthi siqale thina ngokuyithanda ngokuthi sibe united as thina. Yabona nje mama Ndlovu igama elaqama ngale Artists United into sesiyipreacher sisi ukuthi ama-artists ahlala ama-artists abe united noma ngabe akuphi indawo abe united. Into ke thina mhlambe nje ukudlulisa nje kancane emacikweni because amaciko ufika uyawazi ngeqiniso banama-tricks abawenzayo lento siyenzela ukuhlangana abayifuni the most hlangana the most siba strong the most kwazi ukulwa nabo ingakho bekwazi ukuthi basivale ukuze sihlangane sidingana esidinga imali. Ingakho ukubona usifsa imali usayithola usifsa bazama ukuthi ene bawudistroy usifsa kwabizwa imbizo kuplayers kwabhalwa ku Facebook kwakhulunywa ukuthi usifsa wenza lokhu usifsa wenza lokhu usifsa wenza lokhu but labo bantu ababekhuluma lezo zinto nobhali bethi free KZN artists baphi manje bapheleleki benzani abaxabananga bodwa